Hey folks, today I've got another hike. It's the lower Whitney Mesa Trail. And I'm at the parking lot, and there's a pool here, an activity pool. And beautiful landscapes. So let's get started. I still like to start here. There's the way you can tell the beginning. There's a sign for dangerous snakes, and then the identifier here. So I'll just go up this way. And as you can see, this trail, there's a very gentle slight incline, and I love this because it's not too steep and it's not flat. It just gives you a little bit of a workout, which is just perfect right now because I'm not feeling that great, and I don't feel like doing this big, huge hike like Lone Mountain or Mount Charleston or anything big like that. Plus, this only took me 15 minutes to get from where I was, the gas station, the Costco. Some beautiful cliffs here. This is actually my first time being here in the daytime, so I'm seeing these cliffs for the first time. I see these little open ledges. God, I'd like to, maybe I'll check that out and see what's inside those ledges. Over there, I don't know if you can see that or not, that's a 40-yard dash, if you feel like doing that. And then beyond that, there's a couple of little clay adobe type houses for the kids. So I'm in front of the first hole to show you, and doesn't look like there's much in there. I'll show you the view. At nighttime it looks a lot cooler with all the lights. That's a nice view right here. And then there's places where people can sit. I don't know if you can see that or not. So yeah, pretty cool. I only hiked a little bit. All I did was, you can see the car, that's the parking lot right there. And I've only been hiking for about 2 minutes, and I've already got a really nice view. So here I am, here's the parking lot again. And I made it a little further up, and there's a little nicer view over there. This is what's on the other side. More of Henderson. Airplane. I'm coming up on the scenic area here at Whitney Mesa. Couple of chairs. This is a mountain zone in Henderson. There's a lot of construction. As you can see from the houses, we're building right up on the mountain now. We're starting to build on the mountain. We've reached the edge, and now we're going. I think it's just a matter of time before we start building on the other side of the mountain. But it's a really nice view here, beautiful view. There's some other people, and I'm assuming these airplanes are flying into McCarran International Airport, which is over there somewhere along with the strip. So at nighttime this area is real spectacular, really nice view. You don't quite have a 360 degree, more like 272 or whatever that number is, but it's really nice up here. So basically there's a loop, and I'll show the area. So this trail goes this way, and then eventually the trail goes down, and then it comes around here, and then here, and then it comes around, and then it goes back to the parking lot, which is over there. Coming Coming up on the second set of benches here. Just wanted to show this perspective. Got the better view of the backyards of some of these people. I'm starting to descend a little bit. I'll show the progress. So I came down here. That's where I was, just up there. And starting to get a little lower, a little lower. So here I am at the bottom of the hill. And I don't know if you can see, there's a person standing up there. And yeah, it's kind of a lot of trees down here. It's kind of tropical. So I went down here last time, and that just took me nowhere. I got lost the first couple times I came here. So the way out is actually this way. This guy's got an RV in the back of his backyard. There's a couple people with RVs. A lot of airplanes. Looks like Southwest. Yep, it's Southwest. And there's 3 people on the top. I'm walking back home right now. This is what it looks like from the bottom. So I was up there. I don't know if you can see, there's a person right there. 2 people. That's where we were. And now snaking my way back around this mountain back to the parking lot. It's the Sunset Station. Something interesting here is a church. Yeah, I've been in Vegas for about 8 months, 9 months now. It's rare that I see churches in Vegas. Okay, I'm back in the parking lot, and it's about 3 miles, maybe a little less. These are pickleball courts, even though they look like tennis courts. Lots of people are descending for the mountain right now. That's my car. So I'm gonna call it. Thanks for watching.